Okay. Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So we'll start with the, we'll continue with the problems of addition of algebraic expressions. Okay. See. I'll give you two problems. You have to find out the answer and tell me. Add t minus 8z t minus 8 tz, comma 3tz z minus t. Add t minus 8z,
Right?
8tz, 3t.
Collect like terms and simplify.
Collect the like terms and simplify. That's all.
Someone's mic is not muted.
That's my.
Say mute.
It's from school, right?
That is
Yes.
that is from school. That using the gun to.
Pigeons.
Ma'am, 11 is at plus 3t. Set 3t.
No. Once again, find out. Check once more. What is the answer?
Ma'am, negative 5tz.
Yeah, answer is negative 5tz. Very good. Negative 5tz is the answer. Correct. Okay, I'll do it. Listen here, children. T minus, who is this entering always? Yes. Yeah. T minus 8z. So collect like, first you write what is the question, add. So you add everything. T minus 8tz z plus this minus 8tz, you can write it like this always. So you won't go wrong. Okay. Then if you see minus sign, you will be getting confused what to do. So no confusion is needed. You can put a plus sign and take it as negative 8tz plus 3tz plus z plus minus t. Now no confusion. Okay. Now you know how to add negative numbers. So you can write all, collect the like terms. This first one is t. So t you write. Then where is t? This one. So we take plus minus negative t. Add. Okay, addition. Now plus negative plus negative 8tz. Then where is tz? This one. So bracket is not needed there. No need of this bracket.
Why we took this T to the other side?
We have to add, no? Collect
Like
terms.
fractions.
Collect like terms.
Like terms.
Like terms. Okay. Negative 8tz plus 3tz. Now, what is remaining?
Z.
Plus
Z.
Z.
plus z. One more term is there. Yeah. 3tz. Okay. 3tz. Some, I think. One minus z is also there. Okay.
Ma'am,
That's why.
3tz minus z is there.
Minus z. 3tz minus z is there here. Minus z is there in the question. Okay. Do it once more. Check. Here 3tz minus z is there. Minus z.
negative 5tz.
Ah, yes. Answer is negative 5tz. So 3tz. Now what is remaining is negative z and positive z plus, here you will get, okay, here once more you have to write, 1 minute. One more z is there here, that is after 3tz, z will come.
Ma'am, can you
3tz.
explain once more?
Ah, yes, okay, okay, then we'll explain once more. That's better. Stroke eraser, okay. I'll explain once more. Look. Okay. So, the question is this. Question is this: add t minus 8tz, 3tz
Minus z,
minus z,
comma.
z minus t, z minus t. Okay, that is the question. Now you do, can you do yourself? Try. I showed how to do, no? Select like terms and then simplify.
So where we'll put that negative z?
Negative z
Negative
with
z
z,
plus
positive
z.
z is there. Next term to that, one z is there. So along with that z, you can put it. Negative z plus positive z will come.
Ma'am, negative 5tz.
Yes, correct. Who said the answer?
Ma'am.
Gauri. Ma'am,
Gauri.
because both other numbers are 0.
Ah, yes, very good. Okay, correct. Now, yes, Amal. Amal, are you doing the problem?
Yes.
Did you get the answer?
No, ma'am.
Negative.
My God. My
Okay.
God.
All of you.
5tz.
Negative 5t you got?
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Because
good.
0 minus
0 and 0. Rudra, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So listen here.
Ma'am, can I explain it?
I'll explain.
Yes, ma'am.
Just I just gave to you because to understand, those who have understood, let them do. That's why I asked you to do it. Okay. So now we have to add this. Select the like terms and simplify. First one is t. Okay, t is there. Now where is t? T alone, this one. So we take
Negative t.
plus negative t. Otherwise, you will go wrong. Okay. What is the question? Add. So wherever you find it, plus is the operation sign. So put plus. If it is minus t, take it as negative t. Then no confusion is there. Okay. Then bracket. No more t is there. So we put a bracket. Now again addition. So put plus. Then what is the next one? Negative 8tz. Negative 8
plus 3tz.
tz plus
Plus
Negative z.
3tz.
Negative z plus positive z.
Positive. Then
Then
plus
Negative z plus positive z.
negative z.
yes. Negative z plus this positive z.
Positive z.
Okay. Now see this one. Positive
T plus negative.
t plus negative
So we
t,
get
0.
0.
0.
Plus A negative
5.
8z plus
5
3tz.
tz. Negative 5
Negative
tz.
5tz.
Negative 5tz.
Then again 0.
Ah, plus this one is 0. Minus z and negative z and positive z, it will become 0.
0.
So
We
answer
will get
is
negative 5 t.
negative 5 z is the answer. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You have to do lot of problems. Then only it will be clear. You have to do it fast. When you do it fast, this negative and positive sign, you will commit mistakes. So you have to do as many problems as possible in this topic. Okay, this is a very basic of all the classes mathematics. Huh? So you should be very clear with this, what to do. Now, I'll give you another question. You have to do it yourself and tell me the answer. Question is this: add 5m minus 7n, 3n minus 4m plus 2, comma, 2m minus 3mn minus 5. Okay, that is the question. Do it. Do it carefully. Tell me the answer.
1 minute. Ma'am, I don't understand that 3m and then where to go.
Yes?
The 3m.
3mn.
3mn. 3mn. Negative 3mn minus 5.
Ma'am, answer is negative 3mn.
No, no. Answer is not one monomial. It has lot of...
Ma'am, 11m
three.
plus 10n plus
No.
negative 3 plus
Ma'am, negative 3m plus negative 4n plus negative 3 plus negative
minus
3m.
4
Once
and
more.
minus
One
3.
minute. 1 minute. Tell me one at a time.
3m.
Ma'am, negative 3 plus negative
minute.
4n plus
Uh,
negative.
yes.
Ma'am, negative 3m
Say one at a time.
plus
Who is
negative.
speaking?
plus negative 3 plus 3
Okay.
mn.
Both of you are correct. I'll show the answers.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
got negative 4m plus 9m plus 7.
9m won't come. 9m is not wrong. Negative 9m is wrong. Check once more your answer. Do it carefully,
Ma'am,
children.
negative
Ma'am,
m negative 3m plus
3mn. Ma'am,
Okay.
negative 4
Negative
plus
3m.
negative
negative
3.
4m plus
plus negative
3n plus
Ma'am, negative
3m
3m plus
3m
negative
plus
4n
negative 7 plus negative 3m.
Okay. I'll do the answer. Just check yourself.
Short form also we can say.
Short form. How?
And 3m minus 4n minus 3 minus 3m.
That is same. See, the terms you can write in any way, no problem. But the signs, everything should be correct. Okay, I'll answer it. See whether whatever you have done is correct or not. Okay, listen carefully. So we are collecting the like term. First you write everything together. Addition, no? So write it like this: 5m minus 7n plus 3n. Here you put plus negative 7n. plus 3n plus negative 4m plus 2 plus
Negative
2m 2m minus that means plus minus
Plus
3mn
Negative 3mn
plus minus 5.
plus
Okay.
negative 5. That
Then
5
collect like
plus
terms. Don't shout out the answers. We'll collect the like terms and write 5m. I wrote 5m here.
plus
Then where is m?
negative 7m
4m.
Negative 4.
Plus
4m.
4m.
negative
Then
7m
plus 2m
Positive 2m.
Oh, negative 7.
negative 7m
Positive 2m.
7n.
Positive 2m. Okay.
plus
Now put a
negative 5.
bracket. Wait. Listen. Put a bracket there. After that, we take
Plus
Plus
sign.
Plus sign.
Negative 7n.
Negative
Negative 7n
Plus
plus
3n.
3n.
3n. Okay.
and
Then
And
n
negative.
is not there.
and negative
So,
7n
Plus 2.
negative 7n
plus
negative
and
7n.
negative 7n
Negative 7n we wrote. Okay.
Plus 2.
Plus.
plus
Okay.
2
We
plus
have
Plus
negative
negative
5.
5.
2 plus negative
plus 2 plus
Then
negative 5.
plus 3mn
Plus 3mn.
Negative
plus
No.
3mn
Negative
Plus
3mn.
3m.
negative 3mn
Negative 3mn.
Where is
Negative
3m?
3.
Negative. It is negative. So we put
Yes.
negative sign. Okay. So let us see what is the answer. 5m
We will-
plus negative 4m. 1m.
negative 3m
Negative 1m. Okay. See, listen here. 5m plus negative 4m. 5m plus negative 4m. You know, its difference is 1 and put the sign of the greater number. So we'll get positive 1m.
Positive 1m.
Okay, positive
1m.
1m.
2
That 1m plus 2m.
plus 2
plus
so
2.
3m
3m.
3m.
Like
Yeah.
that we get 3
Is there any problem when we are changing the order?
addition, no problem. If you change the order, no problem. If it is addition. Okay. So 3m. Positive 3m is the answer. Okay, positive 3m. Now plus.
Negative
Plus.
4.
Negative 7n plus 3n. Difference is
we get
4n.
4n so negative 4n
Negative 4n.
4n
Negative
Because
4n.
greater number is negative. Okay.
negative
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Plus.
plus
Now
Negative
positive 2 and
Negative
negative 5.
negative
2
3
minus negative
3.
5
So
is equal
minus
to
3.
negative 3
Negative 3. Because
Negative
greater
3.
number
plus
is negative.
negative 4mn
Plus
negative
plus
4
negative
3mn
3mn
negative
3mn
3mn. So negative 3mn. Okay. Now at last you can change all this plus sign and write the final answer like this. 1 minute. I'll see it's going up. Okay. Okay. Final answer you will write like this. Yeah. Final answer you can write 3m plus minus answer minus. Isn't it? Positive into negative, negative. Then minus. First you write the variables. Anyway, you can write no problem, but still we used to write like that. Then minus 3. Okay. So constant at the end, we used to write like that. If you write in the middle also no problem, you can do it no problem. But we used to write like this, constant towards the end. Did you understand this problem?
yes
Ma'am.
All of you?
yes ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning sir
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Yes,
Good morning, sir.
yes, tell me.
3m minus 4n minus that I didn't understand.
Here, this much you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
That is plus negative 4n. So it is minus 4n.
Okay. Ma'am,
Plus-
if it is not negative 4n.
If you write like this also no problem, answer is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
But finally we can write it like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Plus into minus, you know, it is minus. Minus 4n.
Ma'am, in
It
that
is-
last step,
Last step. Which one? Which
Ma'am.
term?
ma'am, in that last step, plus sign we should, addition sign we should remove.
You can remove and write it as minus 4n. That is the way.
4n we can write as plus, right?
4n.
If it is positive 4n.
Positive, it is 4n. No problem. Plus 4n you can write. No need of putting sign. Negative sign only comes when it is negative. Only we write it because you know when plus negative means what? It is minus. Okay. That's why. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Next question. You try to do yourself. Then tell me the answer. Can I rub?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now next one. This. Add 2y square plus 3yz and minus y square minus yz minus z square. Two y square plus 3yz and also one more is there. Here you put comma. One more number is there. One more expression is there. 1 minute. 1 minute.
One question, right?
1 minute. This and is not there here. Put a comma there. This. Okay. One more is there. And here you write. And so 2y square plus 3yz, comma, negative y square minus yz minus z square and yz plus 2z square. Add everything together. Add the like terms. That's all. Okay, do it. Gokul Krishna, are you writing? Your video is switched off. Ziad, it is ever switched off. Okay, all of you switch on your videos, children. I want to see whether you are doing or not. You do it yourself, okay? Otherwise, for exam, you will not be able to do.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, tell me what is the answer?
2y square
2y square. Check. Tell me whatever you got, you tell me.
Ma'am,
2y square plus 3
plus 3
3yz plus 2z square.
No. No.
Ma'am,
Check once.
1y square. 1z
1y
square.
square. Yes, 1y
1y
square.
square. 3z
Plus 3z. 3
plus 1.
3yz. 3yz. Check. It is not 3y 3z. It is 3yz you will get.
I got the answer.
Hmm?
I got the answer.
Okay, what is the answer? Yes.
1y square plus 3yz
1y
plus
square.
1z square.
1 z square.
1z square.
1 z square. So can you
I
tell
also
me
got the answer.
who got the answer now?
I'm Tanmay.
Tanmay, can you say once more whatever answer you got? Tanmay, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you tell me the
1
answer,
y
whatever you got. Yes.
1y square
1y
plus
square, yes. Plus
3yz
3yz.
3yz
Ah. Plus?
plus
Hmm.
1 z square.
Very good. That is correct. Okay, that is the correct answer. Clear?
I also got.
Okay, that same answer you got?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Anu,
Ma'am, I
Adityan.
didn't understand.
Adityan. So you listen to what? Okay. You listen carefully what I am doing. Only add like terms. What is the problem in that, Anu, Adityan? Simply take the like terms and add. You got Dilla? Dilla, you got the answer? No. Yes. Iza,
Yes, ma'am.
you got the answer?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll discuss that. It's the 10:31. Okay. 10:45 is your time, no? Okay. Yeah. Now we'll discuss the answer. See, so collect all the like terms. First you write everything together. What is the question? Add. So 2y square plus 3yz.
Plus
No, don't put comma. It is plus. Yes. 2y square plus 3yz plus negative y square
y square plus
negative yz
z
plus
plus negative
negative z square
z square.
plus yz
yz
plus
2z square.
z square. Okay. So collect the like terms. 2y square first. 2y square.
negative
2y square. Where is the
Plus
plus
negative y
minus
square.
plus
Negative
Plus
y
negative
square.
y square.
square.
Y square.
Then anything else is y
No.
square? Nothing.
No.
No.
Put a
Plus
bracket. Plus
Then
plus
negative
3yz.
yz.
then next is
3yz
Negative
plus
yz plus yz.
plus y square.
negative yz plus
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 yz
3yz.
3yz plus
3yz.
yz.
3yz.
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 Where is 3yz is there here. Okay, so 3yz then
Plus
plus 1yz.
Once.
1yz.
Then
So next after
Ma'am,
that,
that is 1 yz.
yz means 1yz.
1yz.
Simply yz means meaning is 1yz. Okay.
Hmm.
Plus then
it's
negative z square. Negative z
2z
square plus
2z square.
z square.
2z square.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So you can add
Yes.
now 2 and 2 plus negative 1. Answer is positive 1. Okay, so
Positive
1y square.
1y
1y
square.
square.
Answer.
3yz.
Plus
3yz.
here you will get
1z square.
plus 1. This is you can take as negative 1yz. So negative 1yz and positive 1yz, it is 0.
You get 3yz.
0.
3yz.
So
3yz.
3yz.
yz.
Plus 1z
Then
square.
here it is 1. This is 1z square. 1z square. So we can take it as negative 1 and positive 2. So answer is positive 1. So positive
1z square.
1z square.
So final answer you can write like this. 1y square is y square plus 3yz plus z square. Did you understand? Adityan?
Yes, ma'am.
Adityan,
Yes, ma'am.
got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you should be very careful in writing the
Ma'am,
signs.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, the 3yz we got 3yz.
3yz, here this step you see, this one. This step, put, see the bracket. One is negative 1 YZ. Next one is positive plus 1 YZ, isn't it? I'll take another color for you to see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look, right. Yeah. See this one, negative 1 YZ, isn't it? Then here you see it is positive 1 YZ. Negative 1 plus positive 1, what is the answer? 0, isn't it? So, what is remaining? Positive 3 YZ only.
Positive 3.
So, that's why here positive 3 YZ came. Understood?
Ma'am, can you give one more problem like this?
Okay. Yes. Then one more method is there to do, column method. Do you want me to explain that?
No needed, ma'am. Then we will get confusion.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, we will
So-
get confused.
Okay, okay. So follow only one method. Okay. You can collect like terms like this and do. Or you can do in the column method also. It is explained in the text. I am not going to explain that. If I explain, sometimes you will be confused. So better follow one method. If anybody wants to explain, I'll explain for them.
Ma'am, by looking the textbook, we'll say you next day.
Okay, okay. Those who want, you can study from the text, and any doubt is there, you can ask me. I'm following only one method. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, you'll be going. You'll go. wrong.
Is that method easy?
Easy means everything is you have to select and write it one below the other. Like terms you have to
Then no
collect
needed,
and
ma'am.
write
No
it
needed, ma'am.
one below the other. That's all. Okay. Another question. Is there time? 10:40. You have to. Okay. It's time for attendance.
Yeah.
I'll give you homework. Okay.
Ma'am, 5 more minutes
Okay.
Ma'am, 10 more
We have
minutes.
9 minutes.
10 more minutes. Ah, okay, 10 more minutes. One more problem we can do. 45 is the time. Okay. Now do this. Adityan, you have to do and tell me the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you see the don't scream the answer?
Don't scream the answer. You can say the answer. 3y square plus 5y minus 4. Okay. Plus 8y. Okay. Add. 1 minute. It's addition.
Ma'am, 3y square plus
3y square plus 5y. Okay, 5y minus 4. Okay, then plus, then 8y,
And that's comma, right?
comma. 8y minus y square minus 4. Find out. 3y square plus 5y, 3y square plus 5y minus 4. Then add, addition it is, okay. Minus 8y minus y square minus 4. Add. Question is add. Add it. Find out the answer.
Ma'am, I got the
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, I got
Okay,
the
what is the answer? What is the answer? Tell me.
4y square
2y square.
4y square
2y square.
2y square
2y square plus 13y
3y plus
plus
negative 8.
negative 8.
Negative
Tell
eight.
me the sign of 3y. 3y.
Ma'am, can I say
Negative
negative
3y.
Negative 3y. Correct.
3y
Okay.
square plus negative y square plus 5y plus negative 8y plus
Amal, once more. Amal.
no 3y square plus negative y square plus 5y plus negative 8y plus negative 4 plus negative 4.
That is you, whatever you wrote.
First step.
First step, isn't it? First step. What is the last answer I am asking? Final
2y
answer.
square
2y
plus
square plus negative
2y
y
square
plus negative 8.
negative 3y plus negative 8.
Okay.
2y square, right?
2y square.
Yes.
2y square. Okay,
2y
let me
square.
ask Adityan. Adityan.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Huh?
I am doing. I am doing.
Do. Okay, do.
Can
Well
I?
done. Do it. Yes, by the time I can take attendance. Okay, children.
Ma'am, the answer is 2y square.
Answer is 2y square
Plus
plus
13y plus
negative 3y plus negative 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we will. I have to.
negative 3y or
Ma'am, attendance, it's
Negative
10:30.
3y. Negative 3y. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, Sangeeta, I'm finished.
Okay, very
Can
good.
you say the,
What is the answer?
of-
Yes, yes. What is the answer, Adityan? Tell me.
2y square plus
Hmm.
negative y plus negative 8.
Negative y, or what is the number there? Coefficient of y. What is it?
Negative 3y.
Very good. Negative 3y plus negative 8. I'll do it. Then we can take attendance. Okay.
Negative 3y.
I'll do it and finish it. Okay. So what is the question? 3y square. We'll take 3y square. Then 1 negative y square is there. Plus 5y
5y plus
y plus
minus 8y.
8y.
Okay. Then
Plus
plus negative 4 plus
4
negative
plus
4.
negative 4.
Plus
Correct.
negative 4.
So answer will be here 3 and 1. 1y
2y
square. So answer is 2y
2y
square.
2y square.
Plus
2y square
plus
plus
y and minus 8.
3y plus
Minus
negative 3y plus
plus
Eight.
negative 8.
Negative 8.
So we can write the final answer like this: 2y square
2y square minus 3y minus 8.
minus 8.
Clear? All
Yes,
of you?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll take attendance. Okay, tell me
Can you show
fast.
that again?
Oh,
For the last 1 point.
I think, yeah.
Square minus
2y
3y
square
minus
minus
negative
3y
8.
minus 8.
Correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me the names. I'll call. Yes, 7A.
Stop screen sharing.
Okay. Yes. Sriram, present. Present. Today, 7, no? 7. Okay, 7, 11. Sriram. Adityan was present. Abhinand Krishna.
Yes,
Abhinand,
He's present, ma'am.
yes. Abhinav Bijoy. Bijoy. Okay. Then